Alright, so here we got the OTOFIX Evo Ultra. It's gonna be the bigger one compared to like the D1 Lite that we have. See how it works. So far it's pretty quick. OTOFIX. And it already read it. That was pretty quick. See if it'll show us the codes. Control code. Key on, engine off. Okay. There you go. This Mustang is modified. I mean, turbo, so you know we got rid of the second O2 sensors. But that was pretty quick to pull some codes. A whole bunch of live data, active tests, CABS. And it'll actually break it down so you don't actually have to go through each one. So here shows that one. Here's some ABS codes. Yeah. So far I'm impressed.